Many of us believe our differences define us, said the late John Lewis. It is well known that he was a prominent civil rights leader, but what is probably less well known is that he co-authored, along with Andrew Aydin, March, Book 3, a 2017 Printz Award-winning autobiographical graphic novel. The book was also illustrated by Nate Powell. This book is the final book in the March trilogy that tells the story of the civil rights movement from Lewis's perspective. The book starts from the late 1963, when white supremacists conducted a terrorist attack on a church in Birmingham, Alabama, killing 4 black children and injuring a few more black people. Numerous other attacks on black people are perpetrated, but Lewis and other civil rights leaders, like Martin Luther King Jr., continue protesting racism and segregation in a non-violent way. Lewis, who was the chairman of the Student Nonviolent Coordinating Committee at that time, with the help of many activists, launches campaigns like the Freedom Ballot that address the lack of black people's right to vote. Lewis also describes the Selma to Montgomery marches that activists organized to raise awareness of the lack of voting rights. In Chapter 1 of the book, where the Selma March was discussed, Lewis asserts that we are going to stay here in Selma until every person of color can register and vote. Read the books in the March series to learn more about the civil rights movement and how Lewis and other activists fought for racial justice through various nonviolent campaigns. I really enjoyed this book because it explains a really dark but important part of American history in an easy to understand manner, that is through comics. Unlike history books, this graphic novel presents the events from the viewpoint of Lewis, along with the facts, and therefore it contains additional information. And that's one more reason why I enjoyed this book. I hope that you will also enjoy reading this graphic novel and not think of this book as just another history book, because it is definitely anything but dull.